In this video, we're going to look at how we would scan in documents into a patient's record. In this case, we have an invoice for Benjamin Benedict, and we want to file that away. So the first thing we're going to do is use our address book to locate the patient. And here's Benjamin Benedict. Again, we want to make sure that we have the correct claim. In this case, Benjamin Benedict only has one claim. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and put in the statement into the scanner. And now I'm going to click the New Scan button here. When we do that, you can see it creates a blank document solution document for us, opened on the Attachments tab. Now we go ahead and hit the Scan button again. Brings up the list of available scanners. We select the appropriate one. And now the next screen that comes up is going to vary depending on the scanner that you have. In our case, we're using an Epson scanner. It's now doing a preliminary scan to see what type of document it is. And it recognized it as a black and white document, so it'll scan it as such. Once the scanning is complete, it adds the scan in the table here on the left, and we can see a preview of the scanned image here on the right. Now you can see that we've scanned in our document upside down. That's not a problem. What we'll do is use our rotate keys here to select the correct orientation, and then click Save to save that orientation. Now, if we had additional documents that we wanted to scan into this document solution document, we would hit the Scan button and run through that whole process again. At this point, we would want to then modify our subject line. And add it into the appropriate category. You can see here's the categories that come preloaded with Document Solution, but we have no applicable category. So what we're going to do is edit the categories by clicking the Edit Categories button here. This opens up the table of the categories. To create a new one, we click on the blank sheet of paper. And here it added our new category. We're going to overwrite new category name. We also want to make sure that each category has its own unique category code. So what we need to do is change the category code to the next available sequential number, in this case a 3. Once we're done, we click OK. Now when you add a new category, it doesn't become immediately available in the category dropdown. So what we do is click OK and open the document back up. And now we can put it back into the appropriate category. The idea is between the subject field and the category code is to have as much information as possible so that when we're looking at this list of patient records, we can tell at a glance what the documents contain. If we had additional information that we wanted to add on this document, we would include that here on the Text tab. Once we're done, we click OK.